Hey there, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, this is the 2nd of November 2025. And this morning, as I look at the market scenario, can see that the US stock futures are signaling a modest rebound ahead of today's open, attempting to steady after Monday's decline as investors digest mixed signals from the economy, bond market, and the Federal Reserve's near-term rate cut outlook. Pre-market action points to slight gains for key indices. Last time I checked, Dow futures were up 0.17% and Nasdaq 100 futures were up 0.40% with S&P 500 futures up 0.27%. So it's all indicating a little bit of positive, but anything can change between now at the time of recording at 7:22 a.m. and when the market opens. There is plenty of time left. So one has to watch the investor sentiment change from now to then. Morning's trading session on Monday ended up with Dow nearly down around 0.9% and S&P 500 was off 0.5% while Nasdaq fell around 0.4%. The weakness came after last week's rally as risk aversion resurfaced amid concerns about inflation, valuation, and durability of the recent uptrend. Some experts or market commentators are also talking about some kind of rotation taking place. That's I haven't verified that yet. I have no means to verify it, but I would take it with a little bit of faith on those experts. One of the things that was very concerning was that Bitcoin dropped sharply, over 7% in 24 hours, reflecting a broader pullback in risk assets and adding to volatile sentiments in equity market. Now, very interestingly, along with this is the play on MSTR, which is now strategies. Earlier, I think it was MicroStrategies. They have leveraged funds in order to buy Bitcoin, in my opinion. At least that's my understanding. And if that is the case, that stock is likely to face a whole lot of action. It might have dropped significantly. We'll check that out during our live stream at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Please join me at that. And if it has dropped a lot, then there's a good chance for it to technically rebound, do a dead cat bounce. That could be a small opportunity for day traders. So this is the backdrop in which I'm looking at everything. I think in the absence of other data sets, more focus will be placed on the ISM Services PMI due tomorrow morning, and that could inform the Fed and also the overall market on what's going to happen with the rate cut decision. With that, my friends, I'd like to invite you over to my live stream at 8 a.m. Eastern Time at ShareTreck, where we'll be doing technical analysis of a bunch of AI stocks in our watch list, bunch of genomic stocks in our watch list, gold, as well as futures and select indices, a few cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and that's it. So see you there soon. If you're on the go, check out my Substack. It's absolutely free. Link to the Substack is in the description. Bye for now.